Gates open, they're up and racing. Haywire draws for your lead. 9 Dragon is by the rail, moving up on the outside. Lever Action, War Alert, racing in fourth. Down in P, Pride of Cabanela. Then followed by the rail by Golden Ange, Significant Other, while Mamika is running at the tail of the field as they race at the last 900. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Lever Action running by the rail. Haywire is on the outside. 9 Dragon racing in third. Pride of Cabanela, then running on the outside. War Alert, Golden Ange, Significant Other, and a long way back to Mamika as they race at the last 450. Lever Action this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second is 9 Dragon. Haywire, Pride of Cabanela, War Alert, Significant Other as they turn for home. Lever Action this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second is 9 Dragon. Pride of Cabanela by the rail, Significant Other, War Alert with 100 to go. Lever Action by about 6 lengths over 9 Dragon. And finally, Lever Action, 9 Dragon, Significant Other, War Alert. Then comes Pride of Cabanela, Mamika, Haywire.